Niantic Spatial connects AI with the real world, bringing intelligence to the places we live, work, and explore. We do this by building a large geospatial model that people and machines can talk to. It starts with a traditional digital map with tens of millions of landmarks and local businesses. A 3D base map adds dimension, enhanced with high-resolution scans of the real world, from aerial platforms like drones to ground-level sensors like phones, robots, and AI glasses. Those fragments are processed, aligned, and georeferenced, then used to train a series of powerful models. In a sense, this is a map built for computers, not for humans, to help machines understand and interact with the physical world. Once complete, these models provide three key services. Reconstruction transforms raw scans into detailed 3D visualizations, powering inspection, simulation, and collaboration. Localization enables precise navigation, contextual insights about the world, and AR experiences. And with semantic understanding at every 3D point, our map can answer open-ended questions about the world, giving people and machines the context they need to navigate, interpret, and understand large spaces. Together, these services bring intelligence to the real world, powering AI, wearables, and robotics, and helping machines truly understand the world around them.